A motorcycle rider ignored a pedestrian's right-of-way. The pedestrian froze in shock and was hit by the motorcycle, carrying 2 people. The impact sent all 3 crashing onto the road, narrowly avoiding an oncoming vehicle. A split second could have made this a tragedy. The man realizes he's losing control of the motorcycle, so he slows down. Sensing a fall is imminent, he prepares to land safely, aiming to minimize the impact. He slides for several meters on the slippery road, but fortunately, he's unharmed. The car signals and turns right, but the motorcycle, too fast to notice the signal, crashes into it. Luckily, the rider's gear is intact, and aside from the motorcycle, there are no serious injuries.
Işık tanıma sistemi TTS ile